tonight we're actually working on the old work truck. Now I know it has some other work prepared for it, but you know what? I needed to do this for a while. As a bunch of y'all know, I had gone with a cheap eBay H4 conversion headlight kit for this, and then I went from the halogen to an LED bulb for my low beams. That didn't do good enough, so I bought some newer or different style LEDs that I didn't put on a video. Tried them in my low beams and put the other LEDs as my high beams. And even after trying to adjust them and drive them for a while, let's be honest, they're just not cutting it. So, talked to the good folks at Octane Lighting, and I got me a set for the work truck. Now, these are crystal clear, just kind of like what I went with the eBay lights. Only difference is I don't have the weird angel halo thing going on in these, which is fine. But let me show you what I'm working with here. So here are the cheap eBay conversion headlights. Now, with the halogen and the LED bulbs, I'm just not getting enough light. You can see the little LEDs in there. It's got some kind of weird projector, and it's just, no matter what I do, not getting enough light. And I drive this daily, so I need, well, to see. Now here's what I got. These are obviously the Octanes. They look better already right off the bat. And obviously, if you've seen before my other videos with LED conversions from Octane, I have very good results for them. Now, one of the cool things that comes with this is this right here. Now, if you've seen the video on the H4 conversion, I had to figure this out by myself, that I needed to change a little bit of the wiring. Well, if I would have just went this route to begin with, they've already got it figured out for you. Now, another thing it comes with, zero right here for the high beams. And I'll show you why in a second. Alright, now as you can see, here's some of the other ones. Well, on every one I've had with this kit, I've had to bend that prong a little bit to clear that. But luckily, with that extension that I'm given, it comes with the kit, won't have to worry about that problem no more. Alright, now that's taken care of. Let's go find a good dark road so we can get a good comparison. And of course, first things up is these cheap eBay conversion lights. They give you a good idea of what we're working with right now. Now the problem I have with these lights is it seems like while I'm in the cab and I'm driving, I really can't see more than a car link in front of me, because it seems like the beam hits the road. Doesn't really hit on the sides very well at all. You can see the beam kind of looks a little bit scattered too. I don't know if that picked it up in the video of the parking lot. Let's go ahead and install the Octanes and give it a test run. Alright, now there it is. Apologize for the footage because now looking back at it, reviewing it, it's a little blurry, but hopefully you can still see what I saw on the computer screen, is that it's a clear advantage that the Octane lightings are a much crisper, cleaner light. They project a lot better. And what didn't pick up in the video was actually it went much wider. I could see a lot better. It's probably 3 to 4 times better, right? I mean, just simple, plain. Now, the H4 conversions did have the LED halos, which actually helped them. So, they had a little bit more light even, but they still just wouldn't cut it. I feel better about driving this thing at night because I can just see so much better. And on the eBay conversion kit, after buying it with the halogen bulbs, then buying 2 sets of LEDs for it, I still had about $100 or so in it. So really, it wasn't as good, and it wasn't much cheaper anyway. So, well, you know, you get what you pay for. The Octanes are way better. So there it is. And honestly, not just do they work better, the projection, the beam's clearer and better. Honestly, they just look better on the truck. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, thanks for watching.